Hello, wonder of the internet. Oh, don't mind this. This is just my awesome space station that I have orbiting the planet. I'm still so happy to have it. Oh, it's so cool. So cool. Anyway, so the reason I'm up here is A, to brag, and B, to give a bit of context on what I'm doing today. So, just in the last episode, I sent this into space. And actually, let's check on this. How much science do we have? Oopsie, there we go. Yep. We are getting. We have almost one whole point of science from this lab. So essentially how this lab works is you put in science data from experiments and then it processes that data and turns it into more science than you would get originally. Which essentially its entire purpose is to give a point to have a space station. Other than refueling, which is the point that I don't have right now. So, my whole thing being is that I would like to attach fuel things. And we do that via these, which are called docking ports, right? And what they do is you can attach it to another ship, and it essentially makes a tunnel between them. So, to actually dock, though, you need to be able to, maneuver your ship very cautiously, which you do with a thing called RCS thrusters. I'm actually gonna see if I can get any science right now. Darn it. Nothing that I can, yeah. Anyways, though, yeah, so you can connect it, and you need to do a thing called RCS thrusters, which allow you to do a complicated thing called docking that essentially you can connect two ships in orbit, and this can be used to get fuel, it can be used to build a bigger, space station, which I have plans to do, not next episode, but the episode after that. Which I want to do here. That's why I have so many docking ports. Whereas, the one that's up here, you can kind of see that. That docking port right there is more of, oh, I need to get people into this thing. So, I wasn't able to design a way to have a docking port on this one right here, but I would really like to have, a really cool viewing area sticking out right there. But I can't do that now in the newest update, because they added, the EVA construction thing, which means engineers, like our friend Bill Kerman there, can, construct stuff while in space, just a little stuff. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, though, let's get to the point. So, if I go back to the tracking station, you might notice. Oh yeah, also I figured out that you can explode the junk you leave in space. So I removed the junk. Anyways, though, you might see Melman's heap, which I didn't put that there. And you're right, dear viewer, I did not put Melman's heap there. In fact, Melman did. And now he can't get out. So, today, we are going to stage a rescue mission for Melman using docking, and that will teach us how to connect to the Turn-It-On space station. See if I have the skills or the ability. Okay? So, to do that, we are going to be using a new rocket that I created between episodes, and that is the Myosora 1. Ooh, where's it at? Sorry about this. There it is. Okay, so, this is the Myosora 1. It's a pretty standard rocket, somewhere in between the T-Rex 1 and the Velociraptor 2. Which are previous rockets I've made. However, you might notice a huge difference up here, and that would be in these. This is the RCS, both in fuel and the thrusters themselves. So the fuel is monopropellant, and that will allow us to make very precise stuff, right? And you also might notice that I have something weird on top of my crew pod, and that is because I have no crew at all. We're not gonna be driving via him. Yep, we don't need Jeb. because we have this right here, which is the OKTO, which is a satellite. Well, it's meant for satellites. It's a probe unit, and it can control a spaceship without the need of a Kerbal. So we are going to be using this in this episode so that we have a spot for our dear friend Malbin, isn't it? Once he comes home. And I also, in the next episode after this one, I want to make a really cool looking satellite to orbit around the planet as well, or really a series of satellites. But, yeah, this should be a whole lot easier to launch than the space station was. So I can just get right to it. I don't really have to do anything crazy. Okay, so, everything's correct. It's a nice time to launch, so we turn on SAS. Okay. Let's see. Where is Melman? Let's actually wait until he's... actually, now is a good time. So I've learned a bit more about how to do what's called a gravity turn, which is essentially a more efficient way to get into orbit. And that would have helped on the space station launch if I was able to turn during the space station launch, which I was not. So it's still useful now, though. So, anyways, let's do it. We will be launching in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we have liftoff. Yeah, so a couple of things I learned is that we don't want to get our speed above 200 meters a second while we're down here. So let's turn that down a bit. Yep. Here, actually turn it up a bit. Okay. Yeah, let's turn that down a bit. Yep. Okay. Wonderful. And now we wait until we're out of this area right here. Okay. Just about there. Boom, turn the thrust back on. And then what I want to do is wait until I'm at about 10,000 meters so we can start now. Turn 45 degrees. And this is what is called a gravity turn. Oh gosh, we're rolling, we're rolling, we're rolling. Okay, let's go, let's go. Some fancy piloting right there. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah, we got this, we got this. Yeah. So this is called a gravity burn. Oh gosh. Oh no. There we go. Okay. Great. Okay, and then what's our apoapsis at? Oh gosh. Pretty low still. I'm just realizing now is that I don't know if the spaceship we have here is enough to get us into orbit. Yeah, I didn't put boosters on it. Oh, that was dumb. Here, let's revert to the vehicle assembly. I was saying, maybe I'll be fine without boosters. And then I realized, no, definitely not. Now I know what I need to do. Okay. Don't judge me. Let's do it. Okay. Immediately launch again, because I don't have time for this. Because docking itself takes long enough on its own. Gosh. Okay. Cut liquid fuel. Okay. Then we gotta get to 10,000 meters, and before we do that, we gotta drop our solid fuel. Oh gosh, it's so, I think, yeah, why does it turn on its own? I think that's like, really that's like the crux of a gravity turn, is that like, it kind of like helps it turn on its own. But thing is, it's turning on its own too good, that it unsteadies it. Here. No, stop. Maybe if I get some thrust, it'll help me control again. Yep. Perfect. Whew. Master pilot. Master pilot. We're just about on track. Boom. Oh, no, 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 stop. Stop. Stop, I say. Turn left. Please. What's our apoapsis at? Yeah. No. What happened? Okay. We just zoomed out a lot. Okay, we gotta stop moving at an angle. That's not gonna be helpful in the long run. Stop. Or really in any run. Okay. Whew. Whew. Okay. 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 No. Yes. Yes, no. Yes, no. Just stay steady. Till we get to 75,000 meters. Okay. No, stop. Okay. Okay. So now we are kind of stable, now that we're out of the oxygen. So now we just wait until we get to about 70,000 meters, and then we do a perfect sideways thing. And then we can get into the fun docking stuff. Yay! Everyone loves docking, don't they? Not that it's like the hardest thing to do in the game. Okay, we're perfect. Just tilt that a bit. Great. Okay. So let's see, where is the space station's right over there. Melman there, actually, now that I'm looking at it. Here, let's set him as target. It won't let me set him as target. Oh gosh, probably should be looking at that. Here, okay. We're just about at 70,000 meters. Actually, let's start it now just to be safe, because I have to do a bit of staging in between. Okay. Apoapsis is up there. We don't want it to get above his, so actually let's speed up time a bit. Oh, I'm gonna be so close to him on accident, too. Here, let's see. There. Okay. Push that out. Stop. Get a bit closer, because we really don't want to change that apoapsis. How high is our, we don't have a periapsis. Well, duh. Yeah, sorry. I was being dumb. Okay, yeah, let's, get back on track. Okay, wonderful. Stop, stop. Stop. I said get back on track. I need you to be perfectly there. Okay, wonderful. Let's burn for a bit again. Okay. Then drop those. Activate that. Then let's see. Debris is getting in the way. Oh, we did it. Okay, we have orbit. Perfect timing, too. Huzzah. Actually, this is actually perfectly on track. Okay, so our orbit is actually already pretty close to, our goal orbit here. I wish I could kind of hide some of the stuff I can see. Here, though. Malman's Heap, though, I gotta set that as my target. I said, set Malman's Heap as my target. Okay, so I slapped on some batteries and some solar panels, and I tried it again. And golly gee, it took a couple attempts, but after it did, I stumbled in to this absolutely incredible orbit that is already very, very close to the one that we're going for. As you can see, our descending node is only 0.03. So that's great. Wait, I can add maneuvers now. Whoopsie, why wasn't I able to do that before? Let's see, so what we can do now is this is basically, we're making sure that our orbit is on the same, like, directions, kinda. Let's, oh, wrong way, I think. Is that the way that's gonna make it more accurate? No, none of the ways are gonna make it more accurate. Probably because that's the wrong place to do it at, maybe, or... Nope, okay, I just was going the wrong direction, I suppose. 0.2. But yeah, you want to go until the ascending nodes and the descending node are both at 0.0. So we're in an issue here, since we're already in low Kerbal orbit. We are going to be, it's going to be a bit interesting, but we'll see. I know a way we can make this work, but yeah, we just kind of gotta play around, and honestly, let's move that further away, because otherwise it is going to happen before I can finish setting up the maneuver. So let's see, actually, I saw something you could do that made this way easier. Oh gosh, I need to change my view to Kerbal. There we go, perfect. What I saw someone do is they, like, set that so that it always showed up. I did it! Okay, great. So now I can actually see what I'm doing while I change it. It's like, yeah, that makes a bad change. Oh gosh, can't control it. Going too quickly. So let's see, do I ever get to 0.2? Nope. So that's not a good spot to do it at, so let's move it along a bit. And let's try it here. Does that go over to 0.4? Yeah. Darn. Okay. Here, let's try doing it. Oh, oops. Holy cow! How did it get so close? Just me moving it. Okay. I did that totally by accident and, like, not controlling it. But we did it! Huzzah! We now have a maneuver node. Oh, I never introduced maneuver nodes. For, if you are a new viewer, a maneuver node is essentially a thing that you can set up so that ahead of time you can, wait a minute. Okay. I realized why I could use maneuver nodes. I accidentally took Jeb into orbit with me. Okay. How do I salvage this? We're gonna have to see what his spaceship looks like. Gosh darn it. I knew it was too good to be true, that it was just a mistake last time. Whatever. Yeah, once we see his spaceship, we might have to, like, transfer fuel, or we might be able to just stay docked. That could work too. I mean, like, it'll be a tricky landing, but I could probably work something out. I don't know. Anyway, so let's just go and do the maneuver. But yeah, essentially you plan something ahead of time so that when that time comes, you know where to go and you know exactly how long to do it for. So, like, right now I have to do something for approximately 2 seconds, but really you want to start a bit before it once you do, and that's the direction I need to go in. And you want to go a bit softer than the whole engine, and it'll take a bit longer, but it's a lot more accurate. So, let's wait until we are at the maneuver. So, real quick, just gonna time warp ahead a bit. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay. Ooh, we're gonna be on the dark side of the planet. Okay, there we go, no more speed up. And we're just gonna barely start doing it once we get to 5 seconds, I think. Okay. Yep, barely start thrusting. Okay, great. Now we just gotta wait until we get that into 0, or as close to it as I can get. Oh, we gotta account for this right here because of wobbles. Oh, no, no, no. Stop. Okay. Let's see. Did that work? Yeah, okay. We don't need to finish the node. Yes, we do. Okay, we can kind of just eyeball it. Okay, there we go. We did it. We're at 0, 0. Okay. So now, because our orbit is so similar, yeah, it kind of stinks that it means that we're going to have to wait a while, but it means it's more consistent, and we can kind of, like, skip a certain step. So let's see, is he higher up, or are we higher up? We have very similar orbits. Oops. Oop, there we go. Let's see, I think his apoapsis might be higher. No, 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 stop! Didn't break anything. Whew, thank goodness. Whew. Okay. Okay. Let's see, his apoapsis is 92. Ours is 94. Okay, poggers. That means that he will slowly catch up to us, if I am not mistaken. So now, it's going to take a while, though. So let's, speed things up a tad. Oh gosh, yeah, turn off SAS. We don't want to waste batteries. Distance from us. Is it slowly going down over time? We might need to waste a lot of time doing this. Stop. How many days has it been? Oh, still 0 days. Okay, then, yeah, okay, he'll get close to us pretty soon. It's just a matter of waiting. Don't want to overshoot it, though, because that could be a problem. Yeah, we can just wait. Is that distance going down very quickly? No, we can turn it up a notch for a bit. I can kind of see that. Stop. Okay. Okay. We're going to wait until he's really close. Then I am not going to go this fast, because I can't see what the speed is. Whew. Okay. Speed up. Okay, we're getting about 1 closer every second. Let's do it a bit longer at this speed. Actually, perfect speed. Holy cow. Crazy. Okay, wait until we're about 20,000 away, I think is a good number. And then we can get right to it. I mean, like, honestly, actually, let's go for under 10. Yeah, you know, I don't see why not. Actually, let's give us more time. Stop time warping. Okay, so now we should be able to see our dear friend right there. Yes, okay. So what we need to do is change our speed so that it is 0 relative to him. So now we start just moving towards him. Actually, let's throttle up just a little. Let's not go above 10 meters a second. So let's stop for a second. How much water propellant do we have? Okay, we haven't used much. We have enough, presumably. Okay, let's turn off RCS again. Let's slow down. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. There we go. There we go. Boom. Okay. Whew. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Okay. Wait until we're like 200. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Just about there. Shoot, that's not going fast enough. Shoot, throttle up a bit. Throttle up a bit. Throttle up a bit. Stop. Okay. Oh no, I can't do this. Flopping and flailing. Wrong way. Oh gosh, no, we're getting away from him. We gotta go the other way. Oh, and I've been going off of the wrong things again. Oh no, oh my gosh. My dumbness knows no bounds. Okay. Here. Okay. Whew. Okay. Back. On track. Here, let's get it to proper 0 this time. Actually, we can start moving towards them again. No, wrong thing. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, turn off RCS. Great. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Now, is this what I need to do? RCS? No, that doesn't help. Okay, doesn't really matter at this point. I don't think I can get any more accurate. Okay, so RCS on. Let's just go towards it. Okay. How much mana propellant do I have left? Okay, still plenty. Okay. Let's turn off SAS. Let's turn off RCS, and this time we're gonna brake properly once they're next to him. Yep. Turn that on for a second. There we go. Okay, now start going that way a bit. Reduce our velocity to 0. I can almost smell him now. Turn off RCS. Go up a bit. Turn on RCS. No, stop. Okay, at this point, let's just start an approach. Again, yeah. Okay, I would... Okay, let's go. Just go straight towards him. This time I don't want to go fast at all. RCS off. Go around. Hurry, 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 hurry. Otherwise we're gonna possibly collide with him, and that's no good. Okay. See, I said this was tricky. Golly. Okay. Wait until we're incredibly close, and then I can do some real quick stuff. Brake, 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 brake. Brake, brake, brake. RCS off. There we go. We're actually very slightly moving towards him. Okay. Oh gosh, how much mana propellant do we have left? Okay, we have plenty. Not plenty, but enough. Okay. And start going towards him again a bit. Oh gosh, turn off RCS. Shoot, we gotta brake again, fast. Okay. Okay, this time I can smell him, except I can't smell him because we're in space. So let's, now. RCS off. Okay. Huzzah. So now what we do is we go into what the cool kids like to call docking mode. Because then, if we point at the guy right there... Actually, we should probably turn down the thing first. Hold on. Okay, docking mode off. We gotta get that to 0. Come on, I can do it. No, stop. Wrong way. Okay, maybe the right way, actually. So now, what docking mode does... That's not what docking mode does. Okay. Let's see. Turn off SAS this time, maybe. Docking mode, RCS on. Oh yeah, I forgot to disattach that. We have to disattach that now. I said disattach that now. Okay, great. Oh shoot, that's gonna have us moving away from him. Yeah, let's go up. We're very slightly rotating. Here, let's turn off RCS. Let's point towards them. RCS on. Press that to go forward. Press that to go backwards. Stop. Wait, how did he get here? And in fact, now that I'm looking at that, he has no docking port anyways. Poggers. So we're gonna have to do something I have never done before. Here, let's, No. So I was planning on grabbing the pod. It's over there now. Yeah. And, like, pushing it out of orbit, right? But sadly, Jeb cannot grab on, so he can't do that. However, what he can do... blew my mind. Okay, when I first found out about their capability to do this. And essentially, you can just kind of use your jetpack. You can just kind of... You can, do that. Which, if you know Kerbal Space Program, that's within the area where there is oxygen, and therefore, you will be slowed down to the point where you will land. And yes, we are landing with just Jeb. Yep, okay. We're going up to the maximum speed that I can. So, this is a kind of tricky landing, but I believe in it. So, essentially what we have to do is slow down as much as we can with the rockets. And then... Yep, here we are. Okay. Yeah, we gotta slow down as much as we can. Where is, it's really hard to control. There we go. Here, actually, we want to change that to surface. Right, wrong thing. There we go. Yep, and we just gotta, like, start slowing down as much as we can. Actually, we can do that more efficiently by turning and doing it this way. Great. Wonderful. So yeah, we just go as slow as we can, which this is sped up 4 times. Yeah, we go as slow as we can. Okay. Okay. I'm out of propellant, so I can no longer stop myself with that. So at this point, nothing left to do but to deploy my parachute. I said Oh, that's the problem. I think that's what it was. Launch, please. Launch, please. Go off parachute. I said... Excuse me. Or wait, oh, we have our parachute out, I think. Oh, we did it! Invisible parachute, or did he just survive falling from space? Doesn't really matter to me. Here we have Jeb. Safely on the ground. Okay. We can recover Jeb. Okay. So now we just we can do it again. Okay, next. Did that count as failing the mission? Okay, it did not. So we didn't need to do any of this. We just needed to, like, tell Melman, just skydive. I think, okay, the fact that, like, it was good practice for docking, because if we were actually docking, that would have been successful. So here, let's save game. We'll leave this as Jeb has returned. Okay, let's go back to the tracking station. Let's see, Malman. Your turn. Yes, yes, yes. I love this so much. That Kerbals are so resilient that they can just heck in. Yeah, out of the vehicle. Yeah, you can't grab it. It just sends you flying immediately. So anyways, we just want to... Wait, we want to make sure we're at our apoapsis. We're close enough. Should be fine. Let's just, turn on the thing. Boom. Okay, we start slowing our speed now. Until... What the heck's going on? Oh, there we go. I just need to be here. Yeah, we just slow down. We don't want to go down too sharp, otherwise we'll run into some issues. Make sure to avoid turbulence. There may be a bit of turbulence on this flight, as we will be going through the atmosphere. Thank you for riding Melman Airlines. I will be your forgot to mention, I'll be your pilot, Malman. Let's see, what's our... Okay. We're due to go slamming into the ground. But that's where they're wrong. Okay. Let's warp far as I can. Wonderful. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what I need to do. Sorry. There we go. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, we're gonna be doing it in the dark this time, which may be a bit tricky. Oh yeah, didn't I say that I could just... Yeah, that worked better that last time. So let's do that again. Just turn it around and then do it backwards. Yep. And that'll slow us down pretty well. So burn that as long as I'm able to, so I don't burn up in the atmosphere once we get into the part of it that has it, because we can't be moving at 2,000 when that happens. Oh, we gotta speed up 4 times, of course. That'll make it a whole lot more convenient for everyone. Okay. We are now getting slower and slower up. We're starting to get just a little crispy, just a little. Totally within acceptable range of crispiness. Okay, I think we're out of the crispy area. Yep. Yep, yep. We just gotta get our surface speed down just a little bit more. Oh, we're out of fuel now. Are we above water? I think we are. says it's safe to deploy. Let's go for it. Yeah! It's invisible, but it's there, I think. Yep, we're slowing down. Remember, this is 4 times speed, so impact is slower than it appears. Okay, we're landing in water. That's great. I think technically we could survive this fall anyways, but once the parachute gets all the way open, we should heavily slow down. Actually, we may not make it. Oh no, we're pretty close. Big splash. Oh, we did it. Oh! He looks like he's gone belly up. Okay, I'm not going to use this in the future, but how am I supposed to get that back in without, like, having a head knowledge of what it looks like? If I had had extra space with me, like, in my ship, that would have been fine. But I went practicing for something else. Anyways, though. Malman did it! Here's that mission accomplished. Yeah! We're rich again. Wonderful. Okay. Wait, do we keep him? Do we keep Melman? We get to keep Melman! Let's go! I mean, they handled that remarkably well. Yeah. We got a free astronaut and we got money back. Now, yeah, I'm going to end the episode there. I mean, between episodes, oh gosh, this one got so long. I am going to, you know, obviously do some just quality of life stuff. Anyways, the next episode, I plan on putting a satellite into orbit. So thank you for watching this super long video. I'm glad you liked it, hopefully.